Stop by and take a look at the 2023 Trailblazer. The Chevrolet Trailblazer is a stylish crossover with plenty of upside on the inside as well. Safety, comfort, features, and style are all found in abundance with the Trailblazer. This vehicle has less than 9,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, tires front all season, tires rear all season, privacy glass, four-wheel disc brakes. Come take a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.